Assumptions analysis. Assumptions analysis is an analysis of assumptions that are documented in the project scope statement. Remember, your project scope statement is part of the scope baseline. The scope baseline is made up of three things: your project scope statement, your WBS, and your WBS dictionary. When it comes to risk management, we start off, first of all, planning how to manage risk, but then we get into identifying the risks. And one of the things you should do as you identify risks is carry out an assumptions analysis. What is an assumption? An assumption is something that you consider to be true. But what happens if you carry out an analysis of those assumptions and you discover that they are not exactly accurate? It might already be too late. At that point, your best bet may be to find risks associated with those assumptions. Perhaps you may be able to modify the assumptions, but if not, you're faced with identifying the risks and managing them. So this is a technique used in the analysis and validation of assumptions to ensure that they are relevant and correct. It is used in risk identification. So as a project risk manager, remember where to find those assumptions. Remember, assumptions, constraints, inclusions, and exclusions are in your project scope statement.